Can I see it? That's a good girl. What's up, Internet? Welcome to the channel. It's Jared here, and I am assuming this is what it's like to wake up on Christmas morning as a Jew that's never had Christmas. Yeah, today we are going to be doing a very special unboxing video, Take a Walk, where I was originally today going to post a new Vanguard video. I just got recorded. You can see that I started working on the editing here, so that should be up sometime in the next few days. But before that, I got a very special package from yesterday. Try not to spoil it. Ugh. So we are gonna do a live unboxing of this thing, zero editing. See all the lovely processes. Of course, don't forget to support the channel, blah blah blah. My page from TCG Player is Skyrouge Games, where I sell a lot of Vanguard stuff, and that does, of course, help me fund the channel, like this thing that we're about to do here. It actually cost me a decent amount, so your donations, your purchases definitely help. Put this up to the tripod right here. This is some exclusive channel action. So I adjust it. Yeah, as always, like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, new Vanguard video is going to be coming out in the next few days. I want to try and see if I could do, like, one video a week, if possible. If not, that's fine. But, on to the important thing. So, for those of you guys may have seen a certain little video, a certain 40-minute video of my last visit to Kings Island. And that was because one thing, because they had to tear down a certain piece of history that I am very related to. It meant a lot to me. That is the reason I haven't gone to Kings Island at all this year. Okay, I just realized there's some Gear Chronicle stuff in the corner. Gotta shut off real quick. I know this is a Vanguard video, but here's some Gear Chronicle. It's not sleeved because I was in the middle of organizing some cards and I'm about to put it away soon as an army printer jets. Anyways, Vortex. Oh god, Vortex. So, as you may remember, last year, Vortex reached the end of its service life after 33 years, and they unfortunately decided to tear it limb from limb, and now sits on a very vacant plot of land. I have seen that the trains were shipped over to Carolina, to the Carowinds. I almost forgot the name of the park. Drop Scissors has new trains for Carolina Cyclone, but the track itself, in probably Kings Island's smartest move, was actually taken apart piece by piece. And you see right here, 1.5-inch track slice, and they actually sold these in little kits. So, the second they announced it, I got one of my friends who works close by, used to be a co-worker of mine. I'm gonna name it really quickly because I don't know his name wants to be dropped, but Kyle Pickle. There you go. So, I got him, luckily, to secure me a piece since I wasn't able to make it up in time because I was working that day. And yesterday, I managed to pick it up. Let's go ahead and open it up to see what's inside. Of course, there's also this lovely little Vortex sticker. It's probably going on my car or laptop, whichever I decide to put on. Let's see what we got here. Packaging. Is there anything on packaging? Interesting. I've never really done an actual unboxing besides Vanguard boxes. Got something from right here. I think it's just a holder for the piece. You need to mount it. Got an envelope from Kings Island Collectibles. Probably a letter saying thank you. Oh, I can see it already. Yeah. Okay, so right here we got, if I can open it, our certificate of authenticity from their Dynamics Custom Looping Coaster, April 1987 to October 2019. That is 33 years, limited restack, blah blah blah. And it says real quick, hi Coney. She wants to be in the video. There you go. My little baby girl. Yeah, I gotta read just this now. love this tripod, but it's a little too flimsy. You have to include that in the updates for the next time I get funding for the channel. As you know, TCG Player, link below, it helps me buy stuff like this and this in the computer. Anyways, it's hereby certified that steel track segment was cut from the Vortex Rollercoaster at Kings Island Amusement Park. Vortex was the first coaster in the world to send riders through 6 inversions of the continuous circuit. And over the course of 33 years, more than 46 billion guests rode this record-breaking attraction. This was removed by personnel from the ride. Ugh. Yeah, a lot of people don't know that. This was actually the first coaster to invert 6 times. And, oh god, Alex. See him taking off the piece right there. From the station. Nice little shot of the ride. Let's get postcards. Ooh, there's stuff on the back one. Should I read these real quick? Yeah, might as well. We're doing a full unboxing experience. So this says, Vortex was designed exclusively to Kings Island in Arrow. Gave another rise of 30. Saying the same thing. More than 275 million times. Nice. And shows on the opposite, this is the maintenance associate removing pieces of track. And this first step for creating this souvenir. This other one with the track on it. Sorry if you hear the cars in the background. My neighbor has been noisy lately. But when Vortex debuted in 1987, it was the first coaster in the world to go through 6 inversions. It was 3,800 feet long and 55 miles per hour. Experiencing 2 loops, a double corkscrew, and a boomerang curve, also known as many other things like the Batwing, and this big old helix at the end. It's about 148 feet tall. That's the actual drop. It was 155 feet. I know there's one of my little spiels used to talk about different 5s, how it's 155 feet at 55 miles per hour, 55-degree drop. I can say words. There's just a lot of 5s involved in this ride. Anyways, 148 feet at the highest peak with a drop of 138 feet and 55-degree angle. I told you there's more 55s there. There's a lot of 5s on this ride. Love it. There's that. Move on to the big things. I readjust this. Yeah, that actually was a big record breaker back in the day. The 66 inversions, and it being 148, basically 150 feet tall, was the tallest, fastest coaster at the time for about a year. But here is the big marker. Looks like a giant hockey puck from here. 3 threes, there's Thrills, Vortex, Kings Island's got this classic logo. I like this. Like, if someone made a shirt out of this version logo with Vortex, I would definitely buy that. I'd wear that. Feel the grip, the old slogan on the back. The track slice from Vortex, Rollercoaster, Kings Island. With another old logo on it. And as you can see, this is actually, it's a little heavy. This is track from the ride itself. I don't know if I want to put it this way, or this way, with a nice plaque on it. This was the old logo, a nice silver plaque. The other side has this nice big insignia. Yeah. Is there anything else in here? No, that's just paper. Ooh, I'm so excited about this. Like, I'm not gonna go on and on about it. Like I said, you saw a literal 40-minute video. I think it's the longest video on the channel. But let's just say I was very connected to Vortex. Not only was it the ride, I worked there for several years, leading all the way up to me actually operating the attraction, which was like a dream control back then, being the person pressing the control panel buttons. It was also 1987 was the year I was born, so this is very much my coaster twin, so as I always referred to it. And like, even though it wasn't the biggest or the best, it's always gonna have that honorable place in my top 10. It is like the first big coaster I ever rode, and yeah, like literally the second they announced they were demolishing this, I said I was going to Kings Island for at least a year, so I haven't been on a ride yet. Anyways, this is my unboxing video real quick. Show off these again. The postcards is really cool. Kings Island did this. Like the fact that they said it sucks we're taking down the best ride in the park, but here is we're actually giving back to the community. and actually give away the pieces of the ride itself. So I don't know how many of these are actually made, and it's 3,600 feet of track. 3,600 feet divided by 1.5 inch. I don't want to do the exact math right now, but it's got to be like 500,000 question mark. There's got to be a lot of these, but it's just so cool that the ride itself actually became these. They were able to recycle the track that way. Because I was going to try and find a way to get the track somehow. I'm just happy that I own a part of Vortex now. It's going to sit proudly maybe on top of the wall. I don't know. Once I get a new recording section, like I mentioned in the next video, that's one of the next things I want to do. So I'm dedicating recording space for when I do my YouTube videos. And I'll probably decorate that. So I look forward to seeing this in the background in future videos. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to comment, rate, subscribe as always. Like I said, some bigger videos are coming up. I have one that I showed you that I'm editing. We also decided the next deck video is going to be Pale Moon, so look forward to Harry Deck soon. And fingers crossed, I'm waiting on the C75 to open the Dane location so I could do a little video of that, because they're, like I showed you, they're actually operating their own Rollercoaster. Anyways, this has been a video. I'm just going to end it real quick. I'm going to show off Coney again. She's napping down there. It's still morning. Coney, wake up. We'll be on YouTube again. Nope, me and Laser Girl. Alright. Twist around and say bye real quick. I can't reverse it while I'm recording, so here it's gonna look like. Bye, internet. Have a good day and stuff. Oh, God, Vortex. Always embrace the infinite. Whatever. And fear. Feel the grip. Dude, I should incorporate that somehow. Later, YouTube.